Basics of electric vehicle. Training program agenda. In this module, you will learn about Introduction to electric vehicles. Why electric vehicles? Vehicle overview. Difference between diesel and electric vehicles. Drivetrain architecture of electric vehicle. Components of electric vehicles. HV battery, traction motor controller, auxiliary controller, junction box, and power distribution unit. Battery cooling system, battery chiller, traction motor cooling system. Charging port, push button shift selector. Instrument cluster and warning symbols. Feature of electric vehicle. Introduction to electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, EVs, are taking the automotive world by representing a significant shift towards sustainable and cleaner transportation. With concerns about climate change and pollution, EVs are gaining importance as an eco-friendly alternative to diesel vehicles. Electric trucks and buses produce zero tailpipe emissions, contributing significantly to air quality improvement in urban areas. By decreasing reliance on fossil fuels, EVs play a crucial role in reducing the overall carbon footprint of transportation. Why electric vehicle? By eliminating diesel exhaust emissions, particulate pollution and pollutants that contribute to the formation of ground-level ozone, they improve the air quality in our communities. They produce significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions than diesel hybrid and natural gas-powered buses. Within the context of increasing transportation demand and growing number of private vehicles, electric buses offer sustainable mobility solutions, since they significantly reduce GHG emissions, air and noise pollution, and dependence on fossil fuels. Eicher Electric Truck and Bus Overview. Now, let's learn about Eicher Electric Truck and Bus. Difference between diesel bus and electric bus. Let's first understand the differences between a diesel bus and an electric bus. Eicher Diesel Engine Bus. Eicher Electric Bus. Difference between diesel and electric vehicle. Engine is replaced by battery. Mechanical air compressor is replaced by electric compressor. Transmission is replaced by traction motor. Mechanical steering pump is replaced by electric motor-driven steering pump. Engine cooling system is replaced by traction motor and battery cooling system. Engine fuel system is replaced by electric charging system. Drivetrain architecture of EV. In the automotive world, electromobility use batteries to power an electric motor, replacing the need for engines. It includes technology and applications that helps designer to achieve drivetrain that reduces carbon emission and less dependence on fossil fuel. Components of Eicher Electric Bus. The key components of an Eicher electric bus include high voltage battery 1, battery chiller, junction box, high voltage battery 2, power distribution unit, auxiliary controller, steering pump motor, traction motor, air compressor motor, traction motor controller, AC unit. Electric bus familiarization video.
About electric vehicle. Electric vehicles are powered by electric energy stored in a high voltage lithium-ion battery. Electric vehicle batteries require charging. The electricity is taken from electric vehicle charging station that power an electric motor, which helps to move the vehicle. Advantages and features of Eicher electric buses. Low maintenance and running cost compared to CNG and diesel engine vehicles because of less moving parts. Zero emission vehicle, hence eco-friendly environments. Better performance with long-lasting batteries. Maximum vehicle speed is up to 70 to 75 kilometers per hour. Less noise pollution with silent operation of motor. Fast battery charging port provided with mechanical safety lock. stress-free driving due to no gear lever and clutch pedal, better comfort with front and rear air suspension, fire detection and suppression system for passenger and vehicle safety, electric air conditioning system for passenger comfort, intelligent transport system for passenger information, pneumatic door closure system, reverse parking assist system for safety while reversing, and My Aisha Live system for vehicle running status and vehicle information.
Electric truck familiarization video.
Pro 2049 EV. Familiarization. Introduction. An electric truck is a type of commercial vehicle that is powered by an electric motor and uses electricity stored in batteries as its primary source of energy. The Eicher Pro 2049 is built on Eicher's tried and true EV platform. It has a driving range of up to 174 kilometers on a single charge and is aimed at the 5-ton class trucking segment, which is useful for both intracity and suburban applications.
Components of electric truck. The key components of an Eicher electric truck include high voltage battery 1, high voltage battery 2, junction box, 3-in-1 controller, battery chiller, traction motor controller, auxiliary controller, and steering pump motor. Layout of electric components on chassis. The layout of electric components on chassis is shown on your screen. Function of electric vehicle components.
Function of electric vehicle components fitted on vehicle roof. High voltage battery. 2 high voltage batteries provided in the vehicle. High voltage battery consists of multiple lithium-ion modules and cells, which are connected in series structure to get the optimum voltage of 650 volts and power of 204 kilowatt-hour. Each battery power rating is 102 kilowatt-hour to get the desired output voltage of 650 volts per pack. Junction box. Junction box is provided to connect the high voltage battery pack in parallel. It also transmits power supply to PDU, AC system and battery chiller. It consists of high voltage safety fuses and contactors. Battery chiller. The battery chiller is a cooling system used for controlling the temperature of battery pack within given limits. The hot coolant from the battery pack flows inside the chiller, which is cooled inside the chiller and sent back into the battery pack, and it receives high voltage DC supply from junction box. Electrical air conditioning system. EV AC system provides air circulation, ventilation, air filtration and humidity control for passenger comfort, and it receives high voltage DC supply from junction box. Function of electric vehicle components fitted on vehicle chassis. PDU or power distribution unit. It consists of bus bars, high voltage safety fuses and contactors. Power distribution unit receives high voltage DC supply from junction box and distributes to traction controller, aux controller during discharging cycle, and during charging cycle it receives DC power supply from battery charger and sent to battery through junction box. Traction motor controller. It receives high voltage DC supply from power distribution unit and converts it into AC power supply. The traction controller drives the traction motor as per VMU ECU input, basis gear mode selection, accelerator and brake pedal position. Traction motor. It receives high voltage AC supply from traction controller and generates high torque with variable speed using variable currents. Auxiliary controller. Auxiliary controller system works as an inverter which helps to drive the air compressor and steering motor and works as a DC to DC step-down converter to charge the low voltage battery. Electric steering pump. Electric power steering pump helps to achieve the vehicle power steering functionality. This pump provides the required amount of oil and pressure for operating the hydraulic steering system. It is mounted on the vehicle with the help of 4 shock pads and it will receive high voltage AC supply from auxiliary controller. Electric air compressor. The air compressor is powered by AC electric motor. It provides compressed air for brakes, air suspension, and pneumatic door applications, and it will receive high voltage AC supply from auxiliary controller. Coolant pump and radiator. Coolant pump is operated through vehicle low voltage system, that is 24 volts. It circulates coolant through radiator for cooling traction motor, traction controller, and auxiliary controller. The coolant used is of 50% water and 50% ethylene glycol. Vehicle charging port. Charging port is given as the receiver port of electricity coming through battery charger. It is a GBT and CCS, that is combined charging system, compatible charging port. It is equipped with mechanical safety lock. Note: CCS port is not available in Eicher buses. High voltage power cables. Bipolar high voltage orange color cables are provided to distribute high voltage power supply to various electric vehicle components. Vehicle Management Unit, VMU ECU. It operates through vehicle 24 volt system. It's a main vehicle control unit which controls multiple controllers of vehicle using multiple CAN lines. Emergency switch. Emergency switch is used to stop the vehicle in emergency condition. Push button shift selector or gear selection. Push button shift selector is used to drive the vehicle in the forward and reverse direction. There are 3 modes provided in the PBSS pad. D mode for driving vehicle in forward direction. N mode to bring vehicle into neutral position, and R mode for driving vehicle in reverse direction. Note: these modes are not applicable in Eicher vehicles. When changing driving modes, brake pedal should be in pressed condition. Battery charging system. Whenever low HV battery warning indication displays in the instrument cluster, vehicle batteries need to be recharged. To charge the high voltage batteries, charging port is provided at the right-hand side of the vehicle.
EV cluster indicators and warning lamps. Various cluster indicators and warning lamps on electric vehicles include health status symbol, high voltage battery low, charge plug, EV battery failure, EV motor failure, fuel cell high temperature, stop lamp, high temperature warning, ready indicator, motor temperature high, battery charge, and emergency mode. Cluster warning indications. Cluster warning indications on the LCD screen include PTR, that is, possible travel range, value. Brake pressure front. Date and time. Brake pressure rear. Details of warning symbols. Indicator and warning lamps. These lamps are provided to warn the driver about any failure or unusual condition in different systems. If any warning lamp comes on while driving, immediately pull your vehicle to a safe location and check for probable causes and take corrective action. Let us go through each and every lamp individually. Details of warning symbols are shown on screen. Feature of AV: regenerative braking. Regenerative braking is a mechanism found on most electric vehicles, used to slow down the vehicle as well as charging the battery. How it works? Regenerative brakes work by reversing electric motors that propel a vehicle. It works like a generator and feeds energy back into the electric system that charges the battery. Regenerative brake system.
Regenerative brake system. When the brakes are applied, the supply to the traction motor stops, and the motor acts as a generator and charges the high voltage battery pack, while reducing the truck's moment of inertia by covering a short distance to stop.
Starting and driving of EV truck driving tips and familiarization for drivers. Starting and driving the electric vehicle. Turn on the ignition key. Press the brake pedal. Check the vehicle, it should be in neutral position. After ignition on, bell icon lamp will start blinking in the cluster. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds until bell icon lamps stop blinking. Turn the key to start position and hold it until the ready lamp start blinking. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds until ready lamp becomes steady. Release the parking brake. Press the brake pedal and select D mode to move the vehicle in forward direction, or select R mode to move vehicle in reverse direction. Note: in case emergency stop switch is in pressed condition, vehicle will not start. Rotate it clockwise to start the vehicle. Make sure there is no any check light, HV battery light blinking on cluster. Eicher electric vehicle cluster indication. Stop lamp. Message will appear on display screen with buzzer sound. It shows fault related to HV battery or traction motor. Stop the vehicle immediately as it will affect the vehicle performance, and contact nearest Eicher authorized service center immediately. HV battery high temperature warning. Indication glow continuously when HV battery temperature is high. High voltage HV battery failure. Indication glow continuously when high voltage battery is faulty. Contact nearest Eicher authorized service center. High voltage HV battery low. Indication glow continuously when high voltage battery charge is low. LV 12 volts battery charge. Indication blink continuously when low voltage LV battery is not charging. Contact nearest Eicher authorized service center. EV traction motor failure. Indication glow continuously when EV traction motor is faulty. Motor temperature high. Indication glow continuously when motor temperature is high. Emergency condition. Indication glow continuously when the emergency stop switch is pressed. Brake malfunction. Indication glow continuously when the brake is malfunctioning. Health status symbol. Indication illuminate for few seconds while vehicle starting. If indication is continuously blinking, then vehicle will not crank. Seek qualified assistance immediately. Charge plug. It will blink continuously when the charge plug is connected. If it is not blinking after charger is connected, vehicle not charging. Contact nearest Eicher authorized service center. HV fault. Indication glows when there is a fault related to high voltage system. Contact nearest Eicher authorized service center. Ready to start. Indication will show on LCD screen when vehicle is ready to start. Monitoring of instrument cluster indication lamps and precautions. Check HV battery temperature and motor temperature warning lamp in instrument cluster. If lamp is on, immediately inform Aisha engineer in vehicle running condition. Basic troubleshooting. Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Always fasten seat belt while driving. In case of a spark or burning smell, press the low voltage battery cut-off switch to off position and disconnect LV battery cables immediately. Stop the vehicle aside the road and press emergency switch in case of emergency. While charging the vehicle, make sure that charging gun is connected properly, it should not be loose. Before engaging the reverse mode, ensure that vehicle is stationary in neutral mode. Always apply parking brake while park the vehicle and select neutral gear position. During towing, keep the vehicle in neutral position. Before performing the welding work on vehicle, switch off the battery cut-off switch. Disconnect the low voltage battery cables, negative first and then positive cable, and VMU connections. Follow the recommended service and maintenance schedule to maintain the vehicle in safe and good condition. Don'ts. Do not tamper wiring harness for any extra connections or accessories. Do not use high-pressure water jet for cleaning the under chassis of the vehicle. Do not touch high-voltage components or areas. Never drive the vehicle in neutral position during down gradient driving. Do not drink and drive the vehicle. Do not use mobile phone while driving. Thank you for watching.